Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video. And whenever we visit a website or an app or something like that, we always get that sign whenever we are signing up or signing in, that we should have to check the privacy policy and terms and condition. Now obviously we usually skip that part. We don't usually read all of them, but uh, have you ever imagined while creating your own website, like how you can integrate those into your system, like what are those actually, how to build one of them, how to build one privacy policy or terms and condition, what are the technical jargons. Now if you want to build something like that for your website, you don't have to know the law, like you don't have to do a llb now just for that. We have pretty good websites for that, and most of them usually charge a lot, but I have found something free that I have been using for a long time. And here you don't have to do much because they take care of everything, and those websites are really easy to use, because here you have to fill out just some basic data and you are okay with the whole thing, the whole privacy policy and obviously terms and condition. And the exporting type is also great, so let me show you one. So here we have our first website, that is terms and condition generator, and here is the second website, that is privacy policy generator. So as you can see, both of those sites look almost same, so we can assume that both are from the same like the publisher. And the name of the website is actually unique, that is terms and condition generator.com and privacy policy generator info. So let's create a random website cover terms and condition for a random website, so that we can see how it works. So let's name it anything, company ABC company maybe, and then website name is, let's use www.google.com. What else? .com inside your website url. So for the url you should give it this, and for your website name you can name it anything. So we are supposedly creating google's, so let's use google. And here you have to choose the country and the state and your email address as well. So I will obviously, as google is from us, so I will choose united states. Then california, let's say, let's just choose it. And for email address, just give it anything, some at the rate of gmail.com. Yup. Now click on generate, and it will just take a moment. And here you go, here you have your terms and condition. Now here is the thing, here is what I like about this website a lot. That is, first of all, it gives you a link to your terms and condition, hosted for free forever. So if you want to click onto their website, like if you have created these terms and condition and just want to you don't want to waste a whole page in your own website just to create this thing, you can obviously copy the link and paste it to your website, and that will work. You can download the whole thing in html format. That is what we require a lot, because that's how it's gonna end up. We gonna paste it somewhere where we need html in html format, so they are providing that. So great, a great way to implement that into your website. And rather than that, if you don't want to follow any of the processes, you can also get it in total text format. And this is pretty much full check, totally acceptable from by anyone, because I have used the same terms and condition for my website, and a guy from Razorpay has checked it also. So I can pretty much assure you that so everyone will accept it. So that's it that's it for this video, because the privacy policy generator also work in the same way. There is nothing extra to show about it. Both of them are same. I will give the link of both of them in the description so you can access it. And that's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, if this video helps you, please give it a thumbs up. And yes, subscribe to my channel. And if you know some of the great resources like this or any other, please mention about all of them in the comment section so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.